Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're joining me here on the YT. Thank you so much for doing so. If this is your first time on my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll give you a moment. There you go. So today I'm coming at you with a Valentine's Day theme lookbook. Valentine's Day means something different to everyone. Whether you're in a relationship, a situationship, or you're single, you should be wanting to spread love and compassion all year round. So you're gonna see some dresses, some shorts. I mean, why not? So I put together this two-piece look. This is a beautiful burgundy color. So I also did my lip. A matte burgundy color, absolutely love it. So I have a skirt that I got from Discount Fashion Warehouse for $7. This is actually Express brand, so that is quite a bargain because I know they ain't cheap, honey. And next I have this beautiful bralette. I got this from H&M. I really love the frilly lace detail, super cute. And I just paired this with a beautiful fluffy coat. I got this a while ago from Forever 21. So you can definitely snuggle up and stay warm during this cold weather, but still look hot. So I absolutely love this look. Okay, next up is this gorgeous long sleeve midi length dress. This is actually Express brand, but I got it from Discount Fashion Warehouse for $10, so you can't beat that at all. It's a beautiful blush mauve tone, and it has nice little sparkle detail to give it a little extra, you know, something, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. I also love that this is long sleeve, so I know it's February, so it's chilly. So this is a perfect way to, you know, dress it up and look hot, but still be warm and comfortable. This bralette I got from Discount Fashion Warehouse. It was only $4. High-waisted shorts. I got these from Body Central. I don't know if you guys remember that store. Flannel from Walmart. The jacket I also got from Walmart. It was about $12. And then this really cute cropped gray hoodie I got from Fashion Nova, and it was $12. I just paired it with some gold jewelry. I really love this necklace. I got both of these pieces from Walmart for $3, so you can't beat that. This is from Discount Fashion Warehouse. It's by the brand Altered State. I really love the bell sleeves. There is lining underneath, this little slit. So I have on these light wash skinny jeans I got from Walmart. They were $7.97. This is a really cute bralette I got from Victoria's Secret during their semi-annual sale. And then this jacket I got from Rue 21. Yeah, Rue 21 for $15. Okay, this one right here is definitely giving me like a boss babe kind of vibe. It's like, you know, I'm not playing around with you. Like, are we for real or are we for real? I got this from Gabriel Brothers, and then it was about $12.99. It was not that expensive at all. Half pencil skirt, half sweater. It's actually a dress, so this isn't a separate situation going on. Next up, I have this red suede bodysuit. I got this from Rue 21. It was on sale, so it was only about $15. I love jumpsuits because they have such a versatility to them. You get the nice dressed up look, but you're comfortable. Girl, so it's like the perfect balance. Oh, thank you to the jumpsuit gods. All right, up next is a very sexy dress, perfect for Valentine's Day or a date night. I got this from the Dillard's Clearance Center. It was for $25 and it's in the size small. Very sexy. I absolutely love the gold detail and the wine burgundy color. Gorgeous.
Yo, I am Kay. I'm here to slay on Valentine's Day. Okay? Okay.
Okay, so this is one of my favorite looks for a chill night in. This is a Fashion Nova two-piece set, Wanderlust, in the color mauve. I got this in a size medium. I absolutely love the fit, the color, the material is super soft. Perfect if you just want to order some takeout, watch some movies, eat some pizza, split a bottle of wine. Perfect for that date night in. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below on what your favorite romantic comedies or romantic movies are. Some of mine would definitely be Titanic. I mean, that's huge. Love and Basketball, 10 Things I Hate About You, and The Notebook. I mean, where's my tissue? Once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, week, whatever, and stay blessed. Bye. Dillard's Clearance Center. It was about 25 bucks. Fine. I hate my voice sometimes. Oh, let's try that again. It's ratting up. Down. I don't know what I was grabbing. I thought the chair back was there. Oh my gosh, I was a nerd.